All right, good morning, guys. It is early September. I figured I'd do a recording of what we kind of do every morning on a routine of our. I don't think it's really a homestead; it's just our home. Um, is feed the animals. So here we go. Pigs, they're cooney pigs. Oh, they're pushing hard. They want out. They want to go and play. Come on. Get these girls fed. And fresh water. I'll be right back. So they get a half scoop of Purina sour grower. Hog grower, sorry. And a half a scoop of alfalfa pellets. Big girls. Oh my goodness, you girls are big. Okay, watch out. Hey. There. Oh. Biggins. Plenty of food there, and then she wants to go and fight her sibling for it. fresh water every day. And that is the pigs done. So, since we do not have a hardwire fence, and they do know they can push out of the fence, they get locked up every night. So, they're free to roam this enclosure during the day. Well, let's go take care of the chickens. So chickens are pretty easy. You're in a chicken tractor, which if you have the property, highly recommend chicken tractor. Been using this for 6 months now. Absolutely love it. They get to mow my grass and fertilize my grass. They get to eat the grass. So, check their water. And that's it. So they eat about a pound of food a day. Between the 3 of them, we have 3. We'll get, summertime, we'll roughly get about 3 eggs a day. So, pretty happy chickens. I think we're molting though for fall. Some of them are starting to lose a little bit of feathers. Well, let's take a look around the property here. So, we got one cherry tree. Produced really nice this year. Rainier cherry. This is a Stella cherry. Had kind of a rough year. Trying to bring it back right before fall. Very sad. Strawberry patch is going nuts. Which me and the kids looked the other day. We are getting more strawberries for a fall harvest. All the way down in there, which the mice are gonna probably get. Field mice. Our dill. I thought we were gonna use a bunch of dill this year. We did not. So I'm gonna try collecting the seeds for next year. Save us a couple bucks. Not that seeds are expensive. Our garden, that's overgrown. Oh, that was probably a snake. But we didn't do too bad for not having the time to come out and weed it and make it perfect every day. We didn't do too bad. We still have tomatoes popping up. Yeah, in the back here. So I need to get out here and feed these to the pigs probably. Tons of cherry tomatoes. The funny part, when you have animals that you feed a bunch of your grown vegetables to, you'll randomly get plants to pop up around the property. I'm going to give you an example of this. Here in a second, I'll show you a tomato plant that's popping up over where my pigs are. Almost ready. Honeycrisp apples. And this year our Asian pear tree got so heavy, even though we're pruning some every day to feed to the pigs, we had a whole branch break. There's too much fruit. I should have cut it all off so it didn't break. I have a couple still. Should have cut them off so the branch wouldn't break. So here's your example of when you're feeding it to the animals or you let it go to seed. You have tomato plants that pop up around the property. It's crazy. And the pigs haven't touched it. Alright, well, I hope your guys' morning is going as good as mine.